Oh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we meet again. Oh, hey mate. How are you doing? You good? If you want to know how I made this, I use masking effect, which I will share it to you today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you are doing great, doing fine. So in today's video, I want to share to you about masking. So if you saw my video before, you see that I create a clone of myself, right? So I create it just by masking. Okay, what is masking? Masking just basically a crop, but for video. If crop is for image, then masking is for video. It's just a different term, but same concept. Okay? So today, I will share with you about how I edit my footage before in Premiere Pro using masking effect. Without further ado, let we get started. So I just import it and drag it here. Okay, this is my footage. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we meet again. So this is my second me. Then I react it to nothing. Then I act as a clone of myself. Oh, hey mate. How you guys doing? Huh? You doing good? Okay. So what are you gonna do is, if you want to make a clone of yourself, make sure to shoot at your tripod because you don't want your camera to get shaky. If your camera shaky while you doing masking, it will not get a good shot. It will be a shaky and it will look weird. Okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is you go to the end of your first one, then you cut it. Okay, after you cut it, you go to the second yourself. Okay, right before he's in. Oh, hey mate. Okay, it's a bit late. Okay, then you cut it. Oh, hey mate. How are you doing? So, after you're doing that, you will get two videos. One, the video of the first one, and the second is the video of your clone. Okay? So after you're doing that, go to your second video and drag it to the top because we want to make sure this video is on the second layer. Okay? Same goes to your audio also. Go to the second layer of the audio. Then you go to the first time you add it. Then you just drag it. Then make sure your timing is perfect. Hi guys, we meet again. Okay, maybe I just trim it a little bit more, just to make sure the timing of reaction is perfect. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we meet again. Oh, hey mate. How are you doing? You good? Okay, the timing is perfect. Then that's our first step. Now the second step is masking. Okay, how to do it? The first thing you're gonna do is select your second layer of your video. That is your second one here. After that, go to the effect controls up here. If you don't have it, like before, just go to the window, workspace, and reset to save layout. It will eventually appear. After that, go to the opacity. Then below opacity, you will see three shapes, right? The first one is the circle shape or ellipse shape. The second one is rectangle shape. The third one is pen shape. Okay. You can use any of these three, but for me, I prefer pen shape because it was more flexible. So make sure you just click once, okay? Just click once or you will get confused. Just click once. After you click it, you will see mask 1 at here, right? So if you see it mask 1 right here, just go to the right box and you will see pen tool. And this pen tool is your mask tool, okay? It's masking. So what are you going to do is just draw a rectangle, a box, to crop your video or masking. Just use here, just create. Okay, after you doing that, it will crop your second video to the first video. So there you go, a clone effect. I will play it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we meet again. Oh hey mate, how are you doing? You good? See right? There are to me. Just masking. Okay, after you doing that, you may get notice this line, right? So this line is not quite good actually because different exposure in my camera settings. So the first one is a little bit dark. The second one quite bright. So how are we going to solve this? Make sure to highlight your second layer of your video again. Then go to the opacity and go to the mask 1 here. And below mask 1 here, go to the mask feather and just increase it. It will feather it. And you will not see the line here. If you want to make it more invisible, just increase your number. Then voila. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we meet again. Oh hey mate, how are you doing? You good? So if you want to adjust your masking and it doesn't appear this pen tool, right? Don't worry, just go to your second footage again and select mask 1 here. It will appear. Okay? So that's it. And if you see it again, oh hey mate, it sudden change, right? Oh hey mate, just apply default transition. Oh hey mate, maybe yes, we meet again. Oh hey mate, how are you doing? You good? So there you go, our clone effect. And if you are wondering, the masking is not for our videos only. It also work for the effect. Okay, let me show you. For example, I want to blur my face here, right? I just want to blur my face here. I don't want to blur my body or my house here. What I gonna do is go to this box, then click add arrow here, then go to the effects. Okay, after you go to the effect, you go to the search panel here and you search Gaussian blur. Okay, after you search Gaussian blur, it will appear. So you just click it and drag it to your footage. Okay, after you drag it, it was not blur, right? So all you gonna do is just go to the effect controls, highlight your footage and go to the Gaussian blur effect panel. Then you see this blurriness, right? You just need to increase the volume of blur. The more increase, the more blur it will get. So for in my case, maybe I just 100. I just 100 maybe. So after doing that, remember, right? I only need to blur my face, not my whole video. So in order to do that, just click on mask. This time, maybe I use Eclipse shape mask. So I click on it once. Make sure you click on it once, okay? Click once. Then it will appear shape of mask. So after that, all you're gonna do is just drag your circle shape into your head. After that, I'm just adjust it a little bit according to my head. Okay. So when I play again, it will blur my face. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we meet again. Oh, hey mate. How are you doing? You good? So see right? See right? And if you see it kind of bit sharp at there, you just adjust mask feather to smooth it. Then when you play again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we meet again. Oh hey. It's a bit smooth, right? You also can keyframe your blur. For example, I want to blur my second me because my head is keep moving around. So just like before, I search Gaussian blur and it's right up here. So I just drag to my second footage because I want to drag my clone of myself at second footage. So I highlight it, I go to the effect controls and go to the Gaussian blur and increase brightness in 100%. Then I click masking. Then I follow the size of my head. And remember, right? The motion and keyframes that I share with you from previous video. So we also can apply it here. So I'm just move at here. Okay. So you see this mask path, right? Just click on it. After you click on it, it's disappear, right? The shape of mask. Don't worry. If you want to it to be appear again, just click mask 1. It will appear. Then you go, okay, to start off my video. Make sure your clockwork is click, okay? For toggle animation, you go up here. Then you just adjust it. Then there you go. If we play again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we meet again. Oh hey mate, how are you doing? You good? So that's it for our masking. If you don't understand, don't worry, just play it because the first time I hear, I also don't understand, but I play with it, I practice, I just use it. It just a part of the learning process. But if you understand, and this is the first time you hear it, mashallah, may God bless you. Thank you for watching. And inshallah, I will update my next tutorial videos. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.